Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Alphacool Aurora Vertical GPU Mount and Eisblock Acrylic GPX for Zotac RTX 3070Ti. So friend, Alphacool launches the Aurora Vertical GPU Mount and Eisblock Acrylic GPX for Zotac RTX 3070Ti, and it will be comes with the new Aurora Vertical GPU Mount. Alphacool now offers the possibility to install the graphics card vertically inside compatible PC cases, whether they are air or liquid cool. And in addition, the mount features 11 digitally addressable 5-volt RGB LEDs that create a unique, very classy looking illumination. And the digital aRGB LED lighting can be controlled either with a digital RGB controller or digital RGB capable motherboard. And there is more new blood within the Eisblock range. And in the future, Zotac RTX 3070Ti, AMP Holo, Trinity and Trinity OC can also be water cool or Alphacool's Eisblock Aurora Acrylic GPX custom cooler. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.